Kumusta kayo dyan mga kaibigan? I'm Jamie Maravilla and I'm here to do my first tech review and to quickly talk about the keyboard that I just purchased here at SMCT Iloilo called the K629G Membrane Keyboard from Marvo. Disclaimer! Hindi po ito sponsored ng Marvo pero kung may nanonood naman dyan na taga Marvo, bacana man. Okay, so let's get into the specifications first. The K629G is a membrane keyboard, so it means it doesn't have that loud, clicky sound that you would usually hear on a mechanical keyboard. So kung gusto mo yung keyboard hindi masyado loud and clicky, this is the right keyboard for you. This keyboard includes the rainbow backlight feature, multimedia functions, advanced anti-ghosting, and to top it up, it also has the sound reactive lighting. Yes, it literally reacts to sound because it has a built-in microphone inside the keyboard. It has 104 keys, a switch rating of 3 million presses, cable length of 1.5 meters, and lastly, it only has 9 different light settings, which I'm going to show to you after I unbox this. So far, yung box pa lang nagustuhan ko na eh. Tibay niya eh. Pero okay, let's start with a 5-second unboxing. Okay, so now we have the actual keyboard. It has a red accent on the sides. And as you can see here, it has those pop-up feet for height adjustment. And to the hands, it's pretty sturdy naman, with only minimal flex of the body. Now I'm going to show to you the light settings. In order to change the light patterns, you must press the function key and the number 1 key at the same time. Though, the function 1 is a default lighting mode. You can also press the function key and the number 2 key simultaneously. Now the function 3. Function 4. Five. 6. 7. 8. 9. Lastly, the function 9. And this is the sound reactive lighting I mentioned earlier. And let me clear things out about what I said earlier in this clip. It literally reacts to sound because it has a built-in microphone inside the keyboard. Built-in microphone inside the keyboard. It does have a built-in microphone, but obviously it cannot be used for calls, audio recording, gaming, or streaming. Share ko na lang ito guys. The reason anyways that I bought a new keyboard is because sinira ng malanggam yung keyboard ng laptop ko. Kasi ginawa niya lang itong bahay-bahayan. So there I was at SM Cyberzone looking for a decent, cheap, pasok sa budget keyboard. And I found this, and it's only worth 900 pesos at Microvalley. So now I'm going to show to you, do a field test, and let you guys hear what this membrane keyboard sounds like. Now the question is the keyboard worth the 900 pesos? For me, yes, as it is already a high quality keyboard even for its cheap price. So now what about you guys? Leave a comment down below about what you think of this membrane keyboard. And so that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do leave a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. As I'm still a rookie on this, I'm still needing all the support so that I could continue to give you more quality content. Till next time mga kaibigan, see you on the next video.